On my way to one of the sites, and what a beautiful site this is. Lovely food out here in the bushveld. Start of a wonderful day. On the dam wall, it's Leguan, a Leguan. Quite a good guy. He stays around here. I'll see him every now and again when I'm driving through. Look at him swagger, hey? Look at that swagger. Back he goes into the dam. There at the dam. Little swallows in the blue sky. Yellow. There we are. Magic. There the young baby Wildebeest, and this is a whole herd of Wildebeest. Here they go. And they're all grazing early morning. So this is 7:30 in the morning. You can hear them going. Yeah, that's the, I think it's a matriarch at the back. She's pulling them all that side, and then they're all moving that side. They're aware that I'm around and they are watching me.